Tokidos!
Children between the ages of 3 and 5 are absorbed by imagination and love testing their memory. Discover Animal Sounds is a great way for kiddos to learn about animals and their sounds and practice their association skills. This is how you play.
Discover animal sounds.
Every round, the mouse cube asks about an animal's sound.
What sound does a frog make?
You have to shake the different cubes to find out. That doesn't sound right. That sounds like a frog, right? To give your answer, you simply press on the right cube.
That's correct. Good job.
And every few questions, you hear a fun fact about an animal.
Wild boars love to dig in the dirt with their snouts to find tasty treats to eat.
It includes more than 50 animal sounds and fun facts, and it's a great way for kiddos to learn about nature in a fun and interactive way.